guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cathy. In today's video, I will be kind of getting my life together for 2022. So that means cleaning my room, big mess. So I have to go to the dentist to get my teeth checked. I want to go to the gym. I want to just make a vision board possibly, because I've been seeing a lot of people make one and it just inspired me because I want to set my 2022 up for success. I woke up about an hour ago, so I did my skincare routine. I haven't had breakfast. I might have a late brunch. So we're gonna start off by making my bed and then going downstairs to have breakfast. You gotta move, I'm sorry, I gotta make my bed now. You can climb on it after. You can climb on it after, I promise. I would feel awful if I made him get off, so I'm just gonna let him lay here until I have to get to this blanket. I'm gonna head downstairs, Tiger's gonna follow me, and I'm gonna get some breakfast. Go!
That's right. That's all right. It's very easy to maneuver this because the only problem I have is I haven't got enough fuel.
Feels like I'm floating out of nowhere. Every time I look at you, I'm running out of air. And I don't even know where this came from, but I'm orbiting around you and it feels like you ain't there. Don't know what to do when the stars fall. They're colliding around me, need some Adderall. 'Cause I see you in my dreams. When you look up at the sky, it ain't always what it seems. Always orbiting around you, out of control, don't know what to do. 'Cause I know I'm about to crash every time I see you pass. Always orbiting around you. I'm always orbiting around you. I'm think I'm looking at the sky when
As you can see, my table back there is quite messy, so I'm gonna clean my room, but I'm gonna do a before and after so I can show you what I've done. And then in about an hour, I have to go to the hospital to schedule my physical therapy appointment and go to the dentist.
there's tears is flowing down my bloodstream. Don't you know my life's a tragedy? So I'll just send another beam, hope it finds you in your dreams. And always orbiting around you, out of control, don't know what to do. 'Cause I know I'm about to crash every time I see you pass. Always orbiting around you. I'm always orbiting around you. I'm always orbiting around you.
My room is finally clean. I'm super happy and I feel very productive. It's around 12:40, 48 or something, I'm not sure. But now I want to tell you guys about a jewelry brand called Kerativa. Kerativa was kind enough to send me some of their jewelry along with this gorgeous, gorgeous gift box. Now a little bit about Kerativa. Kerativa is a unique, eco-friendly jewelry company that helps people create and purchase customized jewelry gifts for loved ones. Kerativa specializes in fine jewelry and custom gift boxes such as this one right here, and they are committed to delivering emotions in an eco-friendly way. Now I'm going to show you some of the jewelry that they've sent me. So first is this cute little heart box. When you open it up, there's a light and this really pretty ring. This actually comes with a set, and the other pieces of jewelry are in the gift box. A really cool thing about this gift box is it plays music. So when you pull it out, so it just plays music, which is really cute. And I will show you the jewelry up close a bit later. And the last piece of jewelry is this beautiful necklace, and the stone in the middle is yellow, which is very gorgeous. The jewelry came with these two jewelry boxes. The quality of everything is very high. I'm very impressed. Each piece of jewelry is carefully crafted and hand engraved by Kerativa with recyclable materials. Their gift boxes are plastic bottle made with custom designs to better express love and emotion. I really recommend you purchasing from Kerativa because I love this brand. I love how it's eco-friendly, and the way the brand presents themselves is something that I really support. Use my code Cathy10 for 10% off anything on their website. Their website will be linked in my description down below. Now let's get back to the video.
For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
So here is, I'm on Google Slides right now. I've created new slides. I'm just gonna delete everything and then name it Vision Board 2022. And then each year, or each year I can add a new slide. Yeah, that'd be cool. So basically what I've done is piled a bunch of photos. These aren't all the photos, there's just some, so I need to make them smaller and then rearrange them so that they all fit. I'm gonna make these ones a bit smaller too. And then I might throw in some like inspirational quotes and like little pictures that have like quotes. This is the mood board that I created. I fixed the little gap. Basically, I've just filled it with everything that I aspire to have in my 2022, or just like, I don't know, just fun things that I wish would happen, I hope to happen in my life. And then I've filled it with some cute quotes like, love what you do, her soul is fierce, her heart is brave, and her mind is strong. And it's just get off social media and process your emotions, which I need to do because yeah, social media can put a toll on people's mental health sometimes. And then I will not stress over things that I cannot control.
Faye's here, so I'm gonna go get her right now.
Faye's here, and we're gonna go into my house. I look ridiculous, but it's okay. Oh my god. There.
Hey guys, we're currently geocaching. There's one right by my house, and we're having a really hard time finding it.
Guys, we just found the geocache. It's a little Sprite bottle. Oh my, I like reached in and I grabbed, I touched it and I was like, oh my god, open it. Look at that. That's like from 2020. Imagine how old these ones are.
2018.
2018!
Hey guys, we just got back and we're super sweaty. We're gonna shower very soon. We're super proud that we found the geocache. We were actually gonna give up, but we didn't, and we found it. So now it's shower time, and then we're gonna have fun. Watch a movie and just like, you know, do some work for INS, because we both have to do it.